Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. Today is October 27th, 2020, and it's time for me to run the star of the show for COVID-19 reports. That, of course, is of the United States. The United States has been showing a decline in both cases and deaths. I'm sorry, have been showing a continuing decline in deaths since April 16th. So let's run that report real quick. And while this report's running, I want to thank you who every day watch this report. I also want to encourage, if you watch this report and haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Uh, please click the red S button to subscribe. This way I know that the videos are being watched and are helpful and encouraging. And also, of course, don't forget to click that like and share button so I know you're actually watching the video. Okay, so we can see here the U.S. is averaging 30,976 cases per day, but only 928 deaths per day, 929. And the average mortality rate currently is 3.31%. Now, if we look at this mortality rate here, you can see this is at 3.3%. Look at all the days that continue to be below average, but the mortality rate continues to be below average. Okay, let's take a look at deaths. Deaths continue to climb, as we know. The blue line is an incubation period, a 7 to 21 day incubation period. So what that should mean, any cases beyond this thing, the deaths should have already been accounted for. Okay, these are the days yet to come. The, we should be the deaths we see now should have occurred somewhere within this. The infection for the deaths right now should have occurred within this blue line here. Now, if we take a look at deaths, you can see has flattened out a little bit. All right, but that's still okay. It's still okay. It's still well below. It's still below this number, and it's well below this number here. Okay. Let's zoom in on cases. Once again, this is the incubation period. Now, this is zoom in. You see it. This is it's kind of trending down just a little bit. This will be 500 deaths on average. This line, so this 500 deaths per day here. Take a look at weekly numbers. The red line's the average number of cases per week. You can see the cases continue to be above the average line. While there's still a lot of space. Again, this is deaths, and this is the average deaths per day, which was what 931 or something like that. 929 deaths per day. So you can see all these days are below 29 deaths per day. Okay. Weekly cases, you can see that the good news is they're below the spike in July, but still October is higher than September. They'll certainly catch August deaths also cases also. Deaths, okay, there's a pretty good chance that October will tie, if not pass um, September's deaths. But still, look how much the deaths have dropped by month. Okay, look how much it dropped. There's a couple of reports for me. There's not really much use to anybody besides me. But anyway, thanks so much for your time today. If you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. And along the way, when you click the subscribe, also click the like button, also like and share, so I know that this video is being useful and is being watched. So thanks so much for your time. We'll catch you on the next report.